Now that is the floodlight, the spotlight, and this is at full 1200 lumens. And if you can see there, light's coming from the bottom. What is going on, guys? Olight is actually releasing a brand new flashlight, and they were kind enough to send me. This is the PLX, and let's unbox it. It's a 1200 lumen light with a 300 meter throw, and it combines multiple light bulbs in one flashlight. So it's going to be a dual beam, which means it's going to be a flood and a spot combined. So let's get this bad boy unboxed. Now this is a very small flashlight, and I'm actually quite impressed with the size. And if it puts out the lumens it says it does, which is 1200, comparing it to the Balder Pro, I mean, it's like half the size. And the Balder Pro puts out 1350. So this is actually a pretty high performing light for the size. And there you can see the ratcheting system here. So I think you unscrew it, and then I'm guessing that this just slides down. Yep. So that's cool. That's neat. So you get an adjustable lock. As with this one, it can't really do that. It's really perfect for Glock and kind of similar sized guns. This one you'll be able to run on a small handgun. So I'm gonna put it on my Gearson high power here, and we will see what it looks like. Look at that. It's nice. It actually looks really good with the gun too. Looks really good. I like the matte black finish. Quick features here. Here is the button slider, so you can change between different types of light. There you got a flood. Now you have a spotlight. It's really sweet. You have the USB-C charging right there underneath the gun. Nice and easy to get to. Has a nice flush fit, and because of that slider, you can get the perfect fit for your firearm, which is nice. But over 1200 lumens, that thing is really bright. So, is this something you guys would pick up? I think it's definitely worth it. Now, this is going to be a new release. I will have a link in my campsite bio, and I'll put that right in the pinned comment for you guys to check out. So, thanks for watching.